Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Strava, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Strava, which is www.strava.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see options to log in using email, Google, or Facebook. If you prefer to log in with your email, enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. After filling in your details, click the login button at the bottom of the form. For those using Google or Facebook, click on the respective button. If prompted, follow the instructions to complete your login using your chosen service. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Enter your email address to receive a password reset link. Check your email for a message from Strava. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once you reset your password, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password, and click Login. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Strava dashboard. Now you can begin tracking your activities and connecting with friends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.